21 gun salute to every patriotic Ambazonian, especially the ones the way they share any information while they bring them for winner. Now high time we get from no say we need each other before we go fit succeed to restore our sovereignty. So if you that person where you believe in the existence of our sovereignty, then this message, this video now for you. We get a call of duty. My call of duty now say I get for bring una information. Make una know till it happen before, till it happen today, till it happen years back, till it happen before some of we, they born some of we. So if you know say you get a call of duty, if your call of duty now to share video them, share information, then share this video, share the information, make your neighbor know till it happened yesterday, not till it happened years back, 50 years ago, 100 years ago. Yes. So to carry me for come today. Now this new policy where they for ground zero, where they say all taxi driver them must change their taxi color to blue and white. So I want bring una attention to make all man we know where they for ground zero. If we not there for ground zero, we not say people there for ground 1, people there for ground 2, people there for ground 3. All those way them dey for diaspora, they no get concern about what they happen for una for ground zero. Then I bring una an information where one of our brother don't launch a challenge for all those people the way they don't go sit down, they do this policy, they bring out the implementer. He don't launch a challenge, and I know when I know go hear that from my mouth, I go play the video, make una hear, then una see the person. Then from there, I go package reaction of everybody who don't contribute about this situation. People the way their reaction, they react from ground 1, people then react from ground 0, people then react from ground 2, and those in the diaspora them will then react towards this information, this new policy. I go bring them after when I go listen to waiting this our brother, the challenge where this our brother don't give to those who don't come out with these policies. When I watch the video, if you be new person, follow me for this my Facebook page. If you be new person for my YouTube, subscribe. I don't promise winner. I go always bring winner valuable informations. When I go always hear from the horses their mouth. I'm just there to host. Thank you.
Bazozo.
You don't be first person for Hogan. You don't be first person for Hogan. I be a backward picking. I don't see. They need to threaten me. Never. People where they know me, they know me. I know the issue threats. I the act. You record the threats and say you know my family. You know my family. Do your worst. Na me don't pass your talk. They never born no man for una. When una can't shit down, una talk say make they paint taxis to blue and white. Name me one country for this world where their taxi color, not their flag color. Number 2, I dey challenge any of una for AGoC. Una bring una family member them. Una identify una family member them. I go paint taxi for Bamenda for blue and white. Me, I go paint motor for blue and white. May your family member take am. He drive from T Junction, go City Chemist, Waka, go up station, go turn, come back. The all man, go paint the taxi blue and white.
La Republic they recruit, we will define for change taxi color.
When a high time this way we give for strategize because they go waka to carry go right for man be ambush them even for road. They know she don't do this kind of strategies before they put the one in near. Before the one get all kind security. Or ambush them for along even Tico Dollar road. We should don't talk na say they change taxi color. And they should don't make their money payment for this taxi color. Rubbish.
It get us this policy of changing the taxi color to blue and white, they do all man for body, and we get the right to express ourselves the way they inside here. This is not a matter of survival where ground zero be face am. A matter of life and death. So we not get to the use and play. We not get to the use and play. Well, we now go be patient for a couple of hours. We are go bring back all this information, the reaction for all man where they don't give their reaction, the ones where they don't give suggestion to the solution of this matter. We get the good, we get the bad, we get the ugly. So we now go take una time, listen to everybody's contribution. Like I talk, if you know say you believe in our sovereignty, this video, this information now for you. If you be an Anglophone, you just there now to waste your time. We are patriotic Ambazonians and we know what we are doing. We know what we want. Thank you very much.
I do this not for 237.
Oh boy, we did ground zero, the fight for our freedom.
Not for 237.
AK-47.
Bazozo.
Freedom records.
When we be start, they be chasing a play. Now the time they run down, they no say no be play. Freedom fighters, them ready to defend the case. Very few people knows I be one of the best. Freedom MC, I be two of the best. Officially, physically, spiritually, graphically, technically fit. Not for 237. I do this for the ones where them day on the grave now. For the ones where they go through pain now. For our children where them know they go school now. For our people who we there for refugees come now. Every day we dey die. Every damn night my people they cry. Every damn night we get for the fight. We get for the strike by keeping ghosts down. Now we don't ever cry out loud out in the streets. Them still they push us to get to the wall.